Hello affiliate marketers, Leon Tran here from How to Webmaster. Today I want to share with you guys this Clickbank training guide for beginners, and it's absolutely free and you can download it with the link in the description below this video. So I'm going to quickly go through what the guide is about, and the basic strategy is using reviews for affiliate marketing, and this guide really dives deep into how to properly create an affiliate review site. And this guide is a little bit old with some outdated screenshots, but the tips and strategies you learn from here is highly relevant today and for the future. And the idea of doing this is to set up authority site, not just some spammy looking website. The goal is to have an authority, a high quality site filled with reviews in a profitable niche. And this guide shows you how to look for those products and the criteria you need to enter a niche, and how to find those products, and how to set up the content for your site. And Amanda's secret, so this one is pretty good. This isn't about selling, it's about helping them. These fans and passionate people are looking for answers and tips, and so you're helping them, making their lives easier by showing them new ways to do a certain thing. So that's how it should be, and everybody's happy, everybody's a winner. So I will leave it to you guys to read this guide if you're interested in affiliate marketing and setting up a properly done review site. I'll leave the link below, and I hope this helps. Thanks for viewing, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and free guides like this. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.